Hey guys, welcome back to the Dream Team. And today I'm going to be showing you guys my puppets. I have a whole bucket of them, so let's do it. First I have, and fidgets. First I have this cupcake puppet. And then I have this, I forgot the shape, but it's, I think it's either green, blue, or turquoise, but I think it's turquoise. So comment down below what you think it is. So yeah, let's get on to the next one. The next one we have this little sippy cup thing, like a little drink. It has a straw, but the pops are so tiny that it's so hard to pop. Seriously. Okay, let's do the next one. And then I have the blue one, except it's orange. Okay, there's that. And now I have this dimple. Does that dimple. And then I have this square puppet. And then I have this other square puppet. They're kind of like the same colors, but this one's purple, white, and blue, and this one's pink, white, and blue. And then I have this circle, and the one like the orange and turquoise one, but it's pink, blue, and white. And then I have this butterfly puppet. Then I have this elephant puppet. Which it has the eye and the tail. And then I have, it's kind of like a puppet, but it's a baking mold. It pops like a puppet. And that's just a heart one, purple. And then I have this pineapple. And then last of my puppets would be, not last of my puppets. Well, this heart one, which has, it's not like these, it has plastic around it. And it's rainbow. And then I have this triple dimple, which is pink, blue, and orange. And then I have this simple dimple. I think that was all my puppets. So now let's do the fidgets. So first I have this green monkey noodle. These two monkey noodles, blue and pink. This little pea popper, which in the middle has a little face. This little thing that goes on your finger. And then I have 3 more of those, which they're golden and silver. And then I have these 4 marble mesh. I have a green, a yellow, a blue, and a pink. And then we have these 2, I forgot what they're called. but they're like the little line things. And they make such a good sound. This one's blue, this one's green. And then I have these two snakes, which is red and blue, which they're kind of like the other ones. And then we have this bike chain that is blue. And then we have this little, like, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a little thing that you can play with. Then we have this pop tube. And then we have these two emojis, which are kitty cats, pink and gray. And then we have these two infinity cubes. I think they're both the same color, except this one's lighter than this one. And that's all with my fidgets. Comment down below which one was your favorite. And make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye.